So today, this is my brother William, and I'm gonna do a challenge with him today. So we are first gonna do a challenge on who can do this the fastest, and then whoever does it the fastest will see what their average is on doing that. So let's get into it. So the first challenge is going to be doing the scam, or like this thing, who can do the fastest. So 3, 2, 1, go. Comment down below who won. I don't know. Okay, and then we'll do 3 rounds of this, so that's the first round. Second round, 3. Get that! So the first challenge will be doing this thing, who can do it the fastest, and we're going to do 3 rounds of this. So this is going to be the first round. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that goes to me. Now second round. 3, 2, 1. Comment down below who you think you won. And now the third round. Anyways, okay, third round. 3, 2, 1, go. I think that's me, guys. So now we're gonna see what my average is. So we first have to do 3 rounds. So I need my stack mat timer. So turn it on, and then, so the first round, 3, 2, 1, go. 3 seconds, okay. And now we're gonna do it again. 2 seconds. Now one more time. 5 seconds, okay. So my average came out to be 3 seconds, not too shabby. Now we're gonna do a challenge on who can solve the Rubik's Cube the fastest. So we are first gonna mix up the cube. Still remember, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
Is it expect?
Inspection. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Now I have a little more experience here, so I don't know if this is very fair, but this is like the only person I could find that is fair enough.
What was it again?
Fun fact, I actually used 2 tutorials and I turn it into one whole solving situation, and then that's how I solved a Rubik's Cube. By the way, I'm almost done.
I didn't get the white side yet.
No, I did a step twice when I didn't have to. I hate
Okay, I got the first layer.
Okay, yeah, I think this is later, bro. So now William is gone, and he kind of lost. Okay, anyways, yeah. So we're gonna see what my average is. So mix up the cube. And you don't have to see me solve the whole thing. I'm probably gonna speed run it. So yeah, should be good. Inspection. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 57 seconds. Not too bad. See it? Okay, so now we're going to do the second solve. So just mix up the cube. Should actually be using the other cube. Yeah, I'm actually going to use this other cube here. Okay, so now my second solve. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I made a big mistake. Okay, I got 1 minute and 9 seconds. Not the best. And now for my third and final solve. So mix up the cube. It should be good enough. Another little inspection. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. "45 seconds. Okay, that's pretty good. For me anyways. 45. And my average came out to be 1 minute and 3 seconds. Not too bad. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you later.